Is it time to buy or sell BioNexus Gene Lab stock? In this video, we will explore BioNexus Gene Lab in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 30th of June, 2025. And now, we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 30th of June, 2025, our system has ranked BioNexus Gene Lab as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.31. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The stock is positioned within a substantial and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 14.2% over the next 3 months, with a possible return varying between negative 1.54% and 66.25%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 32.07%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 73.68% and negative 8.54% over the forthcoming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price within the range of $0.81 and $2.81. Our latest daily update for BioNexus Gene Lab includes the headline, Volatile Ride for BioNexus Gene Lab Corporation stock price on Monday, moving between $2.72 and $3.32. The BioNexus Gene Lab Corporation stock price gained 10.83% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 30th of June, 2025, rising from $2.77 to $3.07. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a minor break in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 22.06% from a low of $2.72 to a high of $3.32. The price has experienced volatility during this time, with an 11.14% gain over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 121,000 more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 129,000 shares were exchanged for approximately $396,003. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $8.40, while the lowest price was $2.01. Currently, the price is 63.45% or $5.33 below the 52-week high and 99.05% or $319.83 below the all-time high on the 19th of January, 2021, when the price reached $322.90. BioNexus Gene Lab Corp, trading under the Nasdaq symbol BGLC, has recently achieved significant milestones that may positively impact its stock price in both the short and long term. On the 30th of April, 2025, the company regained compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirement, signaling strategic stability and potential investor confidence. This compliance is crucial as it assures shareholders and potential investors of the company's operational viability, likely leading to an increase in stock purchasing activity. Additionally, the filing of its 2024 annual report on the 15th of April underscores BGLC's commitment to transparency and its focus on strategic innovation and operational resilience. Such actions can enhance investor trust, potentially driving up the stock price as market sentiment improves. In March, BGLC introduced a unique Ethereum-focused treasury strategy, positioning itself as a leader in integrating cryptocurrency with its business model. This innovative approach may attract tech-savvy investors and align the company with emerging financial trends, enhancing its growth trajectory. Moreover, partnerships in healthcare and biogas sectors demonstrate BGLC's adaptability and determination to diversify its portfolio. With strategic agreements in place to advance cancer screening and precision medicine, the potential for long-term growth is evident. Overall, these developments suggest that BGLC is aligning itself for strategic growth, which could lead to a positive upward trend in its stock price as it continues to build on its recent successes. Analysts have assigned BioNexus Gene Lab stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BioNexus Gene Lab. The BioNexus Gene Lab Corporation stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at $2.78 and $3.05. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. BioNexus Gene Lab Corporation has shown increased trading volume, aligning with the recent price increase. This is interpreted as a technical positive sign, as volume typically follows price movements. Enhanced liquidity also contributes to a reduction in overall risk. However, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 30th of May, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 28.44%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 24 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BioNexus Gene Lab. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $2.88 and $2.63. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, BioNexus Gene Lab Corporation finds support just below today's level at $2.88. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $2.63 and $2.35. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 6 cents between its high and low, which represents a change of 22.06%. For the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 8.56%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BioNexus Gene Lab, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may point to insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BioNexus Gene Lab. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BioNexus Gene Lab is at $3.45. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, BioNexus Gene Lab encounters its first support level at $2.88. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BioNexus Gene Lab from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 19th of July, 2023, when Wang Yimeng conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.95, reflecting a decline of 4%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a notably high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top that was identified 20 days ago. Is BioNexus Gene Lab stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for BioNexus Gene Lab Corporation stock to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of July, we expect BioNexus Gene Lab to open lower by approximately 3 cents and start trading at $3.04. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.